starter kits, are they too soon? Are they for too soon to work with me people? Or are they for first steps? Who is yours for? I suppose it depends. The way I think of mine is people who are looking for marketing help and they see all these ads out there and there's so many people and maybe they like what I'm posting on Instagram, but they just kind of want to get a sense of a little bit deeper. So it's a bit of a next step to explore to see, is TAD a fit for me? Do I agree with the kind of overall philosophy? Because the social media is kind of the content, but it's little 90-second, 3-minute bits of content. Whereas the starter kit gives the context, gives the bigger picture. So I think for me, I primarily see it as a next step. But for some people, it's great for people who are too soon. People, if you're a coach and a lot of people are showing up and it's too soon, you're like, man, you are not ready for this work. Then you can design a starter kit to be like, do this first and then come to me. You're not quite ready. So in that way, the too soon and the first steps are important. Like do this, bring this to the first session. If I were doing a ton of in-depth one-on-one coaching, and let's say it was on the 7 fundamentals, I would absolutely make that mandatory and say, go do the starter kit first, bring the results of the workbook to our first call. So, this can be done in lots of terrain, like, oh, you're struggling with your spouse. Great. Here's a workbook. Here's the starter kit. Do this before the first call. Something like that. Does that help? I don't know. This is how I think about it. Yeah.
Yeah, that helped. Thank you.
You're welcome, Samantha. Thank you.